Hey. Now, of course you know my username, Class of 6000, but my real name is Michael Alfonso. Now, you see, I only joined YouTube just so I can, get in touch with everybody. 'Cause, I'm having a hard time doing that myself. So, if any of you guys know Lucas Cruikshank, yeah, or Shane Dawson, and um, I just like to, try to get you guys to get me in touch with them. Like get me to, um, get me to talk to them like a live webcam thing, or try to get us all together for one big webcast. And um, well, I just hope you guys can, leave your comments down there at the comments box. And of course, I'll try to, get you guys to subscribe. I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen. And, hope to hear from you guys. Remember, my name is Class of 6000. It's right up there. See ya. Wouldn't wanna be ya.